Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my presentation. My name is Mohammad Razib. My student ID 201153637 from section PCB. Today, my presentation topic is application of district mathematics. Definition of district mathematics. District mathematics is the study of mathematical structures that are fundamentally discrete rather than continuous. District mathematics is the part of mathematics devoted to the study of distinct objects. Why district math is necessary for computer science specialization? District math is innate to see mathematical structure in the objective you work with and understand their properties. This ability is important for software engineer, data scientists, security, and financial analysis. It is not coincidence the math puzzles are often used to interview. Now, I will discuss where district mathematics is applied. First, district math in modeling traffic. A traffic model is a mathematical model of real-world traffic, usually but not realistic to road traffic. Traffic modeling draw heavily on theoretical fundamentals like Newton theory and certain theories from physics like the kinetic wave model. The interesting quantity being modeled and measured in traffic flow. The throughput of the mobile unit per time and transportation medium capacity. Model can take researcher and engineer how to ensure an optimal flow with a minimum number of traffic jam. Second is district mathematics in cyber security. Graph theory is used in cyber security to identify hacker or criminal server and generally for network security. Graph theory is also used in DNA sequencing. Next is district math in Google Map. Google Map uses district mathematics to determine fastest driving route and times. There is a simpler version that work with small map and technicalities involved and adapting to large map. Next is district mathematics in cryptography. Cryptography is a method of storing and transmitting data in a particular form so that only those from who it is intended can read and process it. Cryptography provides security any data or password in encryption method. Next is district mathematics in computer graphics. Computation and district geometry that are the part of district math is very essential part of computer graphics incorporated into video game and computer aided design tool. Next, district math in railway planning. Railway planning used district math declaring how to explain train rail line, train timetable scheduling, and scheduling crew and equipment for train trips use both graph theory and linear algebra. Now I will discuss whole topic of conclusion. District math is innate to see mathematical structure in the object you work with understand their properties. This ability is important for software engineer, data scientist, security, and financial analysis. It is not a coincidence that math puzzle is often used for interview. I covered the basic notation and the results, combinatorics, graphs, probability, number theory that are universal needed. To deliver technique and idea in district mathematics to the learn, we exactly use interactive puzzle especially create for this specialization. To bring the learn experience closer to IT application, we incorporate program example, problem, and project in our course. Thank you everyone for watching my full video. Allah Hafiz.